what I'm doing is I'm using plants as a doorway with their innate capacities to help us and heal us and guide us as a doorway into being able to experience more of life, to be able to connect with senses that we have that we don't even realize we have, because in our society, they're not nurtured and developed. We are part of nature. And connection with nature isn't just something that is neat and or interesting. It is actually a human need. And just like if we don't get enough of a nutrient, we experience a deficiency disorder. And we actually have a very real physical and spiritual need to connect with nature. And if that isn't being nurtured and developed, it has a negative impact on our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. So anybody that wants to connect more with plants and connect more with nature and develop their intuitive and spiritual and energetic capacities to experience more of the world and more of life will benefit from this workshop.